Now, the Presidential Support Committee, PSC, has thrown their weight behind former Minister of Niger Delta, Senator Akpabio, to become the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The chairman of the Presidential Support Committee, Elijah Etta, at the press conference on Thursday in Abuja, said Akpabio possesses the requisite competence, capacity and character to provide the needed stability for the 10th Assembly.
The South-South geopolitical zone last produced Senate President in 1979 to 1983 by the late Senator Joseph Wayas from Cross River State. Therefore, it is important that Senator Akpabio from South-South geopolitical zone should occupy the seat of the Senate President representing the South-South geopolitical zone. He is a unifier. He has the requisite legislative and executive experience to complement that of the President-elect and His Excellency, the President-elect, His Excellency Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his Vice, Senator Kashim Shettima.